I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by equipping night vision goggles in your loadout. This is immediate and required. Once done, make sure HUD brightness sits around 25 to 40% so the image retains contrast and animals don't vanish. You should also pack a spare battery or two because continuous use drains power faster than you expect. Do this now, then enter the map on foot or in a vehicle. Keep momentum so you can apply the optics while tracking movement as it appears. You should pan slowly when using night vision because NV amplifies motion. Quick movements blur the image and hide details. Once you detect movement, switch briefly to thermal or regular binoculars to confirm species and distance between 50 and 100 meters. Also, make small adjustments to collar and spotter sensitivity. This reduces bloom from bright reflections and increases effective range. If you're on a ridge, stabilize your stance. Steady footing helps you hold aim and read faint. You finish by aligning a controlled shot. Night vision can compress depth cues, so compensate roughly 1 to 2 meters per 50 meters of distance when aiming. After the shot, conserve battery by using NV in short bursts and switching back to ambient light when clear. This extends operational time. If you encounter heavy grain or sudden blackout, toggle the NV off and then on to reset the sensor, and check battery health immediately. These steps wrap up the engagement and keep your setup reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.